Hello, and welcome to SOS Cleaning and Restoration, your trusted partner for all your cleaning and restoration needs. We understand the urgency when disaster strikes and are here to help. With over a decade of experience, SOS Cleaning and Restoration has been providing top-notch services to restore homes and businesses to their pristine condition. We take pride in our commitment to excellence. Regarding SOS Cleaning and Restoration, we are your go-to experts for all your cleaning and restoration needs. Our team is dedicated to providing SOS cleaning and restoration services that exceed your expectations. We know emergencies don't wait, so we offer 24/7 emergency response services. Call us, and we'll assist you, day or night. From water damage restoration to mold remediation, residential cleaning, and more, SOS Cleaning and Restoration offers a wide range of services to address your specific needs. We are committed to providing personalized solutions that suit your unique situation. Our friendly and professional team will work with you every step of the way to ensure your satisfaction. At SOS Cleaning and Restoration, we are more than just a service provider, we are your trusted partner in restoring your property and peace of mind. To learn more about our services, please visit our website at soscleaningandrestoration.com. You can also find valuable information and resources related to cleaning and restoration. Contact us at 952-847-3404, and let us be your beacon of hope during challenging times. Your satisfaction is our priority. Thank you for considering SOS Cleaning and Restoration for your cleaning and restoration needs. SOS Cleaning and Restoration, restoring your home, restoring your life.